Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make quiche in Sims Freeplay. First, make sure your sim is ready to cook and has a stove available in their home. Tap on the stove to bring up the cooking menu. From there, you will need to navigate to the baking section. Look for the quiche option among the various dishes your sim can prepare. This is your starting point for a delicious meal. Once you've selected quiche, your sim will automatically begin the preparation. This delightful dish costs just 1 simoleon to make, making it a very affordable option. The entire cooking process takes approximately 10 minutes to complete in real time. Your sim will stand at the stove, performing all the necessary actions to bake the quiche to perfection. Just let them work their culinary magic. After the 10-minute cooking period has passed, a green check mark will appear above the stove, indicating the quiche is ready. Simply tap on the finished quiche to collect it. It will then be placed directly into your sim's inventory. From there, your sim can tap on the quiche in their inventory and choose to eat it, which will significantly boost their hunger needs. Enjoy your sim's homemade meal. Making quiche is not just about feeding your sim, it also helps them improve their cooking skill. As your sim's cooking skill level increases, they will unlock a wider variety of more complex and rewarding recipes. Quiche is a fantastic choice for a quick meal, providing a good boost to hunger in a short amount of time. Keep cooking to become a master chef.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.